Good morning, all. So now I'll be taking to the part two of this DLT registration process, the header registration and rider registration. So around the morning, around 1 p.m. I had applied for entity registration, and by 7 I have received this mail that we are happy to inform you that your request is approved. Okay, so this way I have received a mail that my entity approval has been done, and my entity number is this. This is my entity number. So I need to keep a track of this. I need to save this. Okay, so now let's go for header approval, sender ID approval. So sender ID is here. I see that the word they have used is header most of the places. So if there's a header, we need to consider it as a sender ID. So I've opened the portal trueconnect.geo.com, and so I'll click as a principal entity. Now I will log in using my whatever the username and password we had provided for while registering. So I'll log in through that and submit. So OTP, it will send me the OTP. So we need to see that the number which you have registered is always handy with us. So I'll enter the OTP. 6. Let's have enter. So here I can see this is the dashboard. So user means we have one user, approved pending, and this is approved. So our entity status is approved. Now header SMS. So headers, yesterday I had put 3 headers yesterday at night around 9 p.m. So 3 headers I had put for approval. Now it's showing as pending. So I'll now show you how to send for header. So we need to go to header SMS and go to header SMS registration. Okay, now header type, whether you are going to use a promotional or it's a transactional. So for schools we use transactional, so go for transactionals. And category we select education, and now you can enter the school or like whatever the details you want. Say suppose school, then GURUKL. Suppose this I want. Then it is saying that header already exists. Now this is the issue here, that they have made this unique kind of. So we need to try a different combination. Say I want Gurukul. Now here it is saying that the alphanumeric with 3 to 9 characters, not starting with number. Earlier we had 6. I don't know whether this 9 would accept 9 or not. But let's try this. Okay, so request for header registration has been submitted successfully. Okay, so now here you can see, I can see all my requests, whatever I have given till now are here. You can see that all are requested date. So yesterday I had given this 3-4 for this. Fine. And then post this, what you need to do is you need to go to campaign, my telemarketers. Okay, so here I have already mapped this. You will be seeing blank, so you need to go manage telemarketer. Now here you will be able to see all the telemarketers. You need to select for prisms. So this is how it would be. It would show your prisms info system. Now it's mentioned here that please drag and drop telemarketers in. So who is your telemarketer is Prism info system. So just select here and drag it here and say apply. Okay, so click here on apply, and then this would be applied. Like Prisms would be your telemarketer, and you are registered a entity against that. So it's a simple process. We have not received yet approval of this. Now here I can see there are 4 pending approval. Approval pending are 4. Okay, so let's keep a track of it. And okay, thank you.